Okay, so let's try some numerical examples. So let's say we have two sets. I'm going to say that the number of things in A is 30, and the number of things in B is, the number of elements in B is 26, and the number in A and B is 11. And I'm asking for what is the number in A or B. Now, we could actually just plug it into the formula that you got before, but we're going to draw it out. So this is A, this is B. So we may look at the 30, and where does the 30 go? So you may feel that the 30 goes over here, but it does not. The 30 is A, so the 30 is actually both of these combined. And the B, similarly, is both of these combined. So we can't put the 30 or the 26 anywhere on this diagram. However, the 11 we can. So we know that that's going to be 11, because the number in A and B is going to be 11. Now we know that these have to add up to 26, and if 11 of them are there, then we can figure out that 26 minus 11, there's 15 over there. Similarly, we can look at this one over here. There's going to be 30 in total in A. So if we subtract it, we're going to get 19. Now the question is asking what's in A or B, and that's going to be 30 plus 15, and the answer to that is going to be 45. Okay, so let's say the number in A is 34. The number in B is 51. The number in A and B is 30. And the number in S is 92. And I want to know what is the number that's not in A and also not in B. So that's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so we're going to draw our Venn diagram here. So that's A, that's B. We're definitely going to need an S here, actually. So there's our Venn diagram. So what numbers can we put on? The 34 is both of these, that's not going to work. The 51 is both of these, that's not going to work. Okay, so this one is 30. Now the next one we could put on, we know that A, this and this has to add up to 30, so that's going to be 4. This and this has to add up to 51, so that's going to be 21. Now NS is going to be all of these added together, so that's going to be 92. So we know we've already counted for 51, 55. So 92 minus 55 is going to be 37 out here. And we're asking for the number that are not in A and not in B, and that's just going to be that over there. So the answer to that is 37. Okay, the next question I've pre-written because I didn't think you guys wanted me to write it out, so you might want to pause the video and write it out. Okay, so some students are tired and the rest are crazy. So notice you're one of the two. You're either tired or you're crazy. And I didn't say some drink coffee and some don't. So either you drink coffee and you don't, you're tired, or you're crazy. So for example, I don't actually need, don't write this down. I don't actually need to do a circle like this. So it might be tempting to go tired, crazy, but that's not really a thing. No, there's nobody, according to the problem, nobody is tired and crazy. So there's nothing here. So really what we could do instead, so this is not the way to do it. The way we're going to do it instead is we're just going to make one circle. And I'm going to call this circle tired. And so if you're in the tired circle, you're tired. And if you're not in the tired circle, then you're crazy. So tired, crazy, 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 tired, 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 crazy, crazy, crazy. Because if you're not tired, because some students are tired and the rest are crazy. I mean, the only reason they're not tired. Now, coffee or not coffee, I could do kind of the same trick. So I could say, okay, if you're in the coffee circle, then these guys drink coffee. And if you're not in the coffee circle, you don't drink coffee. So I don't need another circle for not coffee. You're either in the drinking coffee circle or you're not in the drinking coffee circle. Let's put some numbers in. So 34 that are tired, 30 drink coffee. So of the 34, so 34 are tired and drink coffee. So tired and drink coffee is that. There's 92 students in total. So we know that, let's put some stuff down here. We know that NS is 92. Let's say let's define A as being tired and B as being drinks coffee. So let me see. So of the 34 students that are tired, so 34 are tired. So 34 are tired. Of those, 30 drink coffee. So 30 of them are tired and drink coffee. Of the 90 students total, 51 drink coffee. So the number that drink coffee is 51. We've actually seen this problem before. Well, let's finish this off. So number in A, which is, so this is actually our A and that's our B. The number in A is 34, that's 30, so this is 4. Coffee is 51, so that's going to be 21. And what's going to be outside of that, if we say the total is 92, so there's 37 left. And we want to know how many crazy students do not drink coffee. So crazy is not in, so they do not be in the tired circle and not in the coffee circle, and that's going to be these guys. And you may recognize that this is just the same thing as example number 2. So example 3 and example 2 were exactly the same thing. Oops. I should have marked that this was example 3. They're actually the same example, just this one I did it in symbols, and this one over here I did in words. So when you're solving these things, maybe a good idea would be to define some sets, put it in symbols, and then often it's easier to work it out.